Hello everyone, it's Eirik here. Welcome back to the channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, leave us a comment, press the notification bell and join the Heathen Army. Talk about the Heathen Army, I've just recently come back from Anglo-land with the lads. And yeah, we brought back a few goodies. We got some gold, some silver. And it got me and Bragi especially, got us thinking, do you guys remember what's in Bragi's bucket? No? If you haven't, please go back, search it. It's blooming hilarious. But it got me thinking, well, what's in Eirik's pouches? Right, so, what do I have in my pouch? Some of these things I take to camp. And some of these things are a more modern requirement. So, without further ado, let's just go and delve right in, shall we? So, what's inside Eirik's pouches? First of all, when you're on camp, you don't know if you're going to ever need to make repairs. So what I do have here is some darning wool with a very substantial needle, especially when it's thick layers of like wool or felt. It may not penetrate the material, and you don't want to have a needle snap on you. So we've got some nice red darning wool and a nice substantial needle there. What else we have here? Got a more controversial one because they have not found many examples of this, if at all. But it is a axe belt loop with, I think it's just a steel ring. But what they would have normally have used would be just a leather thonging, maybe leather strips that would loop around the axe to stop it from falling off, if at all. What else do we have? Oh yes, one of my favourite things actually. It's my fire strike. So you never know when you might be caught in the woods, and you'll need to warm up. Maybe you found a nice wild boar or deer that you need to cook up. You just use a flint and just strike. So yeah, that's definitely an essential thing. And then what do we have here? Oh yes. The next time that you're on a long ship and you've got the wind blowing in your face, sometimes it can drop in temperature. Make sure you take, this is Viking Age by the way, this is a Viking Age Nivea chapstick, okay, yeah. We found it at a burial site. Yeah, at of all places, right, so you need that. And, right, this one's for the Anglo-Saxons, I'm sorry, yeah, but the last time we visited you guys, yeah, my stars, you stunk. So, what I would suggest to Anglo-Saxons is to get yourself some soft mints. And this is not endorsed, okay, yeah? I mean, this is not a sponsorship, but you do definitely need to freshen up, you know, and that's what I like to bring with me, especially if I'm about to ready myself on the battlefield. And morning breath, right. These are goodies, okay? So what we have here, might have to get up close and personal with you guys in a minute, is, right, we have, oh, we got some shinies, got some coins there. I mean, this raid wasn't the best, but it was all right. Anything else in my little pouch? Anything else? Ah, yes. A gold ring with 2 raven heads. Very beautiful example, in fact. And I stole that from a widow. I liked it. Anyway, so that's what I have in my pouch. But now, the question is, what do you have in your pouch? So thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for joining me on this rather silly video. See you on the next one.